One last video. This is officially getting scary. I mean, even the four-wheelers' front wheels are in water now. Absolutely nuts. Water's a couple of inches from crossing over the road. Trying to keep the camera dry, the drops keep triggering it. But yeah, so you see this river over here? This is not supposed to be here, this is land. That river's supposed to be over there. And that's about 7 feet down. It's a crazy flood aftermath, and Puppy's having a great time. He's enjoying it. Yeah, a lot of new smells. Yeah, you don't have to worry about who's gonna fix this, do you? You're just like, look at all this cool stuff I can smell and dig and explore. So the lake is gone. Well, here somebody's dock ended up over here, one of my neighbors. And this is the overflow valve. So when the water gets high, we have a culvert a little further down. This is the overflow. The structure is completely bent out of shape. I don't know if that's going to be salvageable. That's the lake right now. There's water rushing in still, but basically around the bend on the left. I'm not gonna get too close because my neighbor's road is gone and his part of the levee is gone, and that's the lowest point. So the river just went through the lake just went through there. And well, this is my share of the damage. I didn't completely lose, but as you can see, there's a lot of material that is gone. I mean, look at it, it just chewed everything up. These cement blocks were all the way up there. There's a whole bunch of them missing completely. I don't know where they ended up. And that used to be the lake. So the back roads washed out as well. This is day 2 after Hurricane Debby destroyed our lake, broke the levee, and the lake disappeared down the river. And left me a nice little gift here. So that's our road now. It's kind of hard to tell, but you can fit like a mini school bus on the left and a little bit more than a full-size city bus on the right, and that hole still wouldn't be full. If you've made it this far, thank you for watching. I hope the footage gave an idea of the damage Hurricane Debby caused in the Lanaudière region of Quebec. We received 221 millimeters of rain in 24 hours. That's about 8.7 inches. So just to give a little bit of an idea. Normally my videos are a little more lighthearted, farm life, animals, mushroom picking, occasional camping video. So if that sounds interesting, maybe consider liking and subscribing. Thank you very much. Have a great day.